how do you make money as an investor? The people who don't know think the way you do it is by buying good assets, a good building, stock in a good company, or something like that. That is not the secret for success. The secret for success in investing is buying things for less than they're worth. As you know, I wrote a book in 2011 called The Most Important Thing. And the reason it has that title is because I would find myself in my client's office and I would say, you know, the most important thing in investing is controlling risk. And then 5 minutes later, I would say the most important thing is to buy at a low price. And 5 minutes later, I would say the most important thing is to act as a contrarian. And so back in 2003, I believe, I wrote a memo called The Most Important Thing. I listed 19 things, each of which was the most important thing. And then I used that. I couldn't think of a better format for my book, so I used the same format in 2011. Interestingly, some of the things are different. And that's just supposed to show you that one's thinking should still be alive and should still evolve. And I know that Sir Rob and some of the other fellows went to see Charlie Munger speak in Los Angeles this week at age 91. And I'm sure he's still evolving and getting younger. So I'm going to try to do the same. Now, I should tell you, and I don't know if you know this, but I write memos to the clients. And so I've been sending them out now 25 years. I started in 1990. And I got a letter from a guy named Warren Buffett in 2009 or 10. And he said, if you'll write a book, I'll give you a quote for the jacket. And so I had been planning on writing a book when I retired from work, but Buffett's promise caused me to accelerate my time frame. And what the book is, it's a recitation of my investment philosophy. And as it says in the foreword to the philosophy, which I took the foreword, I don't know about you, I never read the forewords of books, but I took the foreword to mine very seriously. And what it says in there, it's not designed to tell you how to make money. And it's not designed to tell you how easy investment is or to try to make it easy. And in fact, my highest goal is probably to make it clear how hard it is. Investing is very difficult because it's kind of counterintuitive. And it kind of turns back on itself all the time. And there are no formulas that work. So what I tried to do in the book is teach people how to think. And now the thoughts they should hold change from time to time. But how to think, I think, is valid in the long term.